Absolutely! Oh, I'll be there in an hour. My daughter wants to see me. Take that, depression!
I was just taking pictures to add to the list. And then I saw you said you wanted the gray water bottle. So I